Welcome back to Diane's channel. Apologies, we got interrupted on the previous video, and so we're just continuing with the tour. So Makeda, we're going to move on to a bit more. Guys, I'm telling you, her property is so expansive.
Yes, here, this is, I don't know if you can guess this one, Diane. Have you ever seen this before?
Oh God, I am so daft when it comes on to anything. Man.
Right,
You're going to let me smell?
Smell it and tell me if you recognize it.
Yes. It smells
Bay leaf.
bay leaf, but
Bay
bay leaf don't smell almost cinnamonish or something like that. Would you say?
Not to me.
Oh God, well there we go, to show you how much I know. So bay leaf.
Bay leaf, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
good.
And we have quite a...
1 minute. How do you prepare the bay leaf from the plant there?
I just use it to prepare, well, some of the spices that I make. I dry them and grind it in it. And then this is the bay leaf what we use to make Jamaican bay rum. So you soak the...
Oh,
yes, this is a bay
look
rum.
at